what's up? It's me again, Mangorio, and nandito tayo sa Noor Island sa Sharjah. Let's discover Noor Island in Sharjah with them. Let's go, let's go, let's go! So where are we right now, Simon?
Noor Island.
Here in Sharjah. Noor Island. Hey guys, so ayan, bumili kami ng ticket. Actually, nakabili na ako online kasi mas mura pag bumili ka sa online. Napakita ko na lang yung nabili kong ticket. Then, eto na guys. Hi. Mga tourist visa, mga visit visa. Kumusta tabi mga visit visa?
Hoy!
Ayan, nandito na kami sa loob guys. Lakad-lakad. Right, Tep? Ito yung doing, Tep.
Hoy! Gutom na ako.
Ang visit visa. Visit visa for 15 years. Congratulations. Birthday na naman niya. Ayan na, oh. Look at the cactus. Okay, let's hug the cactus. Ayan guys, oh, may mga I was saved na tree. Ayan, kasi nga mga ano siya, tawag dyan, mga survivors.
Survivor Philippines.
Oo. O doon si ano, Kuya Kim. Kuya Itim.
Guys, let's hug the
Cactus garden. Hug the cactus garden. Don't touch it, ha?
This is a cactus for turtles.
Huh? What turtle? Please do not touch the cactus. Oh.
Wow, it looks very comfortable.
It looks so real. Sorry. Real naman talaga yan.
It is real.
Are you sure? Can you try? Joke.
Look at that. What is that? Is that a plate?
Kuya Kim!
No, I think it's the spinner. Oh, here. Oh, the spinner.
Okay, washroom break guys. Look ang CR nila dito. Ang cute, oh.
Look at that.
Very aesthetic. Gusto mo yan? Laki-laki niya guys. So, look. Okay, Simon, start. Go. 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 Come on, come on. Ta-da-da-dun, dun, dun. Ta-da-da-dun, dun, dun. Ta-da-da-dun, dun, dun. Let's go, Nina. Let's go. Let's go. Here, start from there. Start from there. There, there, there. Go, 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 go.
Oh, I know where we start now.
Oh, go, 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 go.
We don't start from.
Yan, yalla, sige. Oh, oh, oh. 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 Kaputan mo lang si Nino para makatindog na.
Ayun, hindi kaya ni Tino. Baka doon maagi.
I don't know.
Ang sakit.
Okay.
Up, down.
Holding, keep holding. Now, move one hand there.
Okay, you can show you.
Move
Go.
one hand here.
Yes, oh, see?
Up, up, up!
Yes.
Aywa.
You go here. You're cheating.
Boog, boog, boog. Careful, Simon, Simon. Stay here.
Adults can go also. Daddy, huy, huy!
Iyo.
Kapay!
Allah, Allah ka dyan. Sige, sige, sige. Oh, go! Jump! Gagi. Jump, Tita Manal, jump!
Teka, teka mo nag-aanga.
Jump! Magyari ka mo.
Malo mo yung manini.
Sarah. Go! Ute! Madudas. Jump!
Daddy's coming!
No, no, no. Ayan po, nagkabaliw-baliwan po silang lahat. Nag-enjoy masyado sa trampoline. Oh! Oh, mas nagutom si Tep. Nagutom ka pa?
Steak.
Nice garden!
Okay, go! Maze Garden! Woo! I will follow you. I'll follow you.
Hey, hey, come on, Simon.
Come on, go there. It's a maze garden.
Ala, Simon! Where are you, Simon? Ala, naglusot.
Here. Nice view, guys.
We go down there. Not allowed.
Whew, nice view, guys. Oh, diba?
Ito si Sharjah Porto.
Ay, so ano yan?
Ayan na naman po. Success ba? Kaya po siya nawala. May pa-bridge dito, guys. Ayan yung bridge nila. At guys, nandito na rin yung Butterfly Garden.
Fly guard.
So eto guys, nagpapahinga lang kami dito sa may Butterfly Garden. Hindi ako kami pumasok kasi nakapasok na kami dyan ni Manong. Sina Tepi na lang natin, kids at si Ate Sara. Ayan, ito na lang kami. Opo. May mga pa-sitting area naman dito. Sarap kasi ang weather ngayon. Last na napunta namin dito is May. Diyos ko, kasagsagan ng summer. And that's it for this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!